Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. So I have a project share, but first I want to ask you, on the last couple of videos I've had a glass mat and I'll show it to you. This one, um, as I make a video. Or do you want me to go back to what I used to use, is this right here, which can you see the project and the video better? So just let me know. Thank you. Okay, so I have a project share. It's 2 albums that I'm making, and I even use part of the front of the paper. Who is this by? Echo Park, and made in the USA. That's nice. And so it is. Imagine that, and it was really fun to work with because of unicorns and mermaids. This is how much paper I have left over. I don't remember how many sheets there were. If it says in here, 12. I had 12 sheets, and so yeah, I do still have the stickers that come with it, and I'm going to cut them up. And I'm making 2 albums for my niece, or I made 2 albums for my nieces, and I'm going to cut these up and put them in Ziploc bags and separate them equally as I can and let them embellish it and have fun with it. And I also got this that goes with it, and I'm going to let them have this and have fun with it. So let me show you the project. I ended up going to the expo in February 25th or March 5th, somewhere around there at the expo, and bought this paper. But Echo Park, you can find it just about anywhere. So here are the albums. Let's see. And they are 6 by 6. And let me tell you the reason why I do 6 by 6 is because you can take chipboard and cut it into 4 pieces. And get 6 by 6 pieces, 4 of them out of the 12 by 12 chipboard. And you can take your paper and cut the 12 by 12 pieces and cut it into 4 and use it in 2 albums and use 2 sheets, the front and back. So, say paper has a front and a back, and so you get one of this and one of that, so you're doubling the pattern. At least you're able to use that. So that's my thought. Plus, this is like a beginner's um, type of album for the little nieces, because I think they're 10 years old. So I didn't want to go cray cray. So they also in the paper pad had tags and cards, so I used those. I put little bling here, ribbon to close it. I had this in my stash that I've bought years ago, but I'm pretty sure everyone can find it. I've even seen it at Hobby Lobby. And here is the back. I love this pattern here. So I put my favorite. I always put my favorite on the front. Um, so let me show you. They're identical except for, and here's this one. One is mermaid, one is unicorn. I'm going to send it to their mom, and she's going to have to say which girl gets which one. Um, but yeah, they're identical. This is 6 by 6 with a 2-inch spine. The only thing different that I changed up is I used my die and I cut this, but it came out a little crinkly there, which you may not even be able to see it. And that one didn't. And I liked it, but it was a lot of work to cut the die and go through it and do all that. So let's just walk through this one real quick. But it's the same pattern, same layout, and it went fast. Once you knew what you were putting here, the second one just went really, really fast. So this is a tuck spot right here, and see, you get the little cards. But that pattern's really pretty too. This is a beautiful little pattern. Here is a pocket, and see how the little cards are. See, I didn't even get to use that on a layout, but at least you get to see it here. So what I should do is turn it around so you see the cloud. But all of them have a pocket. This is 4 pages. And this is where I use the front of the advertisement of the paper pad because I ran out of paper, but I only ran out on these 4 little pieces. So this is it. Here's the main 2 that flap open, and then they both have pockets on the side. And so this is really cute and easy. If you want me to make a tutorial, it's a really fast. You get this done in probably 2 hours. It goes quicker the more you make them. And so this is the same as the front side here. So it was just a beautiful little paper pad that I really enjoyed making for 2 of my nieces. I don't know how many nieces. Oh my gosh, 15 maybe or more. And so in my head, once I start making for one, I've got to make them for all, no matter their age, even if they might be 30. Wait a minute, I'm only 29, so how do I have a niece that is 32 or 33? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Something doesn't add up. Something doesn't add up. So anyway, but yeah, here I'll let you just see if you want to use it with the scalloped edges. You can, but it holds, I counted over 54 pictures that it would hold. So I'm trying to get the most out of my 12 by 12 paper. I'm trying to get the most out of my chipboard, and I'm using 8.5 by 11 cardstock. And I'm also trying to get the most out of that because, as you see, I made this page, but this page right here, let me get in frame. This page right here, well, this is the extra paper from that page, and it fits perfectly in there. So I didn't have a lot of waste of any paper or anything, and I think I did really well on that end of it. So I hope you like it, and give me your comments and tell me what you think. Tell me how many nieces you have, because I'm gonna count them and pin it to the top of these comments of how many nieces do I really have, because I have a lot of them. So there you go, guys. I hope that you like my project share. It was fun making. You think that you don't see me making a video and I'm not doing anything, but I just have a lot to show you. So I'm almost done with other projects too. All my links are down below. I have a group called Glue Gun Chronicles, and there's no drama. It's all about caring is sharing. I used to say that so much and I just forget to say it, but caring is sharing. So I am sharing this with you guys. Um, Hit the bell. You never know when I'm going to make a video. I made this video and I said, wait, stop crafting, make a video. So I did. So, okay, guys, have a blessed day. Thank you.